Hi everyone, this is Bethany from Modstock and Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a PNG Vector icon in PowerPoint using a specific hex code. This method is great if you don't have access to Adobe Illustrator, but still want to change the color of an icon. Now, using Illustrator will certainly give you more flexibility with changing the colors. However, PowerPoint is still a helpful tool in how it allows you to make some basic color changes fairly easy and quickly. So to get started, I'm just going to click on blank presentation. And I'm going to delete these text boxes. Okay, and then under this home tab, I'm just going to go over to picture and then select picture from file. And now I'm just going to select my icon. And I'm just using icons from our everyday office icon set, which is available in our membership. So I'm just going to select the shopping cart icon and click on insert. And then as you can see, this picture format tab will pop up when you upload a picture. So right under this tab, I'm going to go over to color, then hover over more variations, and then click on more colors. So now a color box will show up with different options and ways that you can change the color of an icon. However, if you want to change your icon to a specific color, like you have specific brand colors you want to use, you can go over to color sliders, click on this drop-down menu and select RGB sliders. And then here you can add your own hex code. So I just added mine and I'm going to click OK. And now my icon color is changed. So to save the icon, you'll just right click on it, click on Save as Picture. Now I'm just going to rename it. And then you can select where you want to save it. So then I'm going to go down to Save it as Type and select PNG. You could also save your image as a JPG if you'd like it to have a background. But if you don't want a background on your icon, then make sure you save it as a PNG so that the background will be transparent. So I'm just going to click on Save. And that's all you have to do to save your icon. So if you'd like to change the color of more icons, what you can do is change the color of multiple icons at once. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the Home tab, click on Picture, then click on Picture from File, and I'm going to select multiple icons. And to do that, I'm just going to hold down the Command key on my Mac, but if you have a PC, you can hold down the Control key, and you can just go through and select the icons you want to use. So I'm just going to move these around the page. Okay, so now that I have all of the icons uploaded, what I'm going to do is select all of them at once. So you can do this by holding down the Shift key. Then I'm going to double click within one of these boxes so that the picture format tab will come up. Then I'm going to go back to color and then go to more variations like I did before. And right under recent colors, you'll see that the color that we just added on the cart icon is under recent colors now. So you can easily just click on that and change the color a little bit faster than before. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, it changed the color of all of the icons at once. So now that the icons are changed, you may notice that there are some limitations with using PowerPoint. For example, any areas on the icon that were previously white are now filled in with color. So there's not as much color variation on the icons. But I still think even with limited flexibility, PowerPoint is a helpful tool to use if you don't have Illustrator. But if you'd like to have more customization options, then you can certainly find a way to use Illustrator. It's all up to personal preference. But some minor adjustments you can do on PowerPoint once you change the colors is use the corrections presets. So for instance, on this laptop icon, if you want to have a little more contrast with the colors, you can go over to corrections, and under brightness and contrast, there's like several options here to choose from for different ways you can either darken the icon or make it lighter. So I think for this icon, I'm going to use this option. And then for the chat boxes, I'm going to use this option. So it just offers a little more contrast. So once you're satisfied with your icons, you can save them, right click and save them just like we did for the cart icon. And to verify that you saved them properly, you can just go back to your Finder or your libraries and look for it there. And there is the cart icon that I saved earlier. And here is the original. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.